Have you ever wondered what the world around you looks like up close? Beyond what our eyes can see lies a universe of unexpected textures and patterns. Today we're going on a microscopic adventure, examining familiar household objects under a microscope. First up, let's take a look at a simple piece of paper. To the naked eye, it seems smooth, but under the microscope, we discover a complex network of interwoven fibers. These cellulose fibers, derived from wood pulp, create a textured landscape, revealing the paper's strength and flexibility. The patterns are surprisingly intricate, like a tiny, dense forest. Next, let's examine a common kitchen staple, table salt. Those perfectly uniform, sparkling white crystals appear so simple. But under the microscope, the reality is far more captivating. We see precise geometric shapes, perfect cubes that stack together in an orderly fashion. Each crystal reflects light, creating a dazzling display of angles and planes. It's a stunning example of nature's mathematical precision. Now, let's turn our attention to a cotton swab. It looks soft and fluffy, designed for gentle cleaning. Under the microscope, though, we see a bundle of twisted, textured cotton fibers. These fibers are not uniform, with varying thicknesses and patterns. Their structure is what makes them so absorbent and effective. The microscopic view highlights the engineering behind this everyday object. Finally, let's explore a strand of human hair. This might seem simple, but hair is a complex biological structure. Under the microscope, we see the outer cuticle, like overlapping scales, protecting the inner cortex. The cuticle's arrangement determines the hair's texture and shine. We might even see the medulla, or the central core, which can vary in appearance depending on the hair type. It's a fascinating glimpse into the human body. So, what have we learned? Familiar objects often conceal hidden complexities. A microscopic journey reveals unexpected textures, intricate patterns, and the remarkable engineering behind everyday items. It's a reminder that beauty and wonder can be found, even in the most ordinary things. What else would you like to explore under the microscope?